Hi, this is Professor Lomax here with a very important tip on handrail ADA showers. We come up over here. ADA wants a distance between 38 to 48, minimum 38 minimum, 48 maximum. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a block in behind here so that we can screw on our guardrail. Right now, there's no backing behind this. So there's nothing for the screw to grab to. So come on around. Not a good trick. When we measure up right here, we put this block right here on there. This is for backing. Now, I put a 2x2 on here because when you put the block in there, there's nothing for it to grab, if you can see right there. So I got to make something, I need to have some sort of filler in here to make it grab it to it. So let me show you how we do that real quick. I just cut these 2x2s right here for time's sake, and we're gonna nail them onto the block like so. And I'll shoot that on here. 1, 2. Put it over here. Now, normally people will go ahead and put blocking and they would go right to the edge of this 2x6 right here. But it has to set into the shower. You follow what I'm trying to say? So if you do that, if you could see right here, it's a big gap in there, but there's nothing for this 2x12 to be nailed on. The reason why we're using 2x12 is because we want a big area, like we talked about in our last video. We want to be able to maneuver or put in place that handrail anywhere we want between the 48 and the 38. You follow what I'm trying to say? So we use a big one. Come over here. I've already got it measured out and snapped in. Careful, this fiberglass is really dangerous, man. You don't want to touch it because it will cut you like a knife. It's really tough on you. You want to make sure that you place it in there. You don't want to overpress it. You don't want to overpress it at all because you'll deform it back there. Now we just come to the side like this. Check this out. Oops. Let me go back there. Press that quick. Let me nail this one because this is stationary right here. So that one's good right there. Nice and strong. Come on over here, man. Shoot that on there. We shoot that on there. We got it. Now we're going to shoot this side. I'm just going to go around the back real quick.
Oh, wait here.
Make sure I didn't press it. Place that onto there. Make sure it's firm, but don't push it too hard because you'll deform this. Boom, at the bottom. Check this out. We got a nice strong backing right here. We could put the handrail any elevation that we want. It's going to be nice and tight to that. One of the reasons why we use the 2x2 right here is so that we're going to put insulation in there. Now we're going to get full value of insulation. That's extremely critical, especially around the shower, because when you use a shower, you want to feel warm. That's why you want to insulate it around it. That's the quick tip of the day from Professor Lomax.